Well, my name is Clement Maduako. I'm from Urualla, autonomous community, and I am a retired businessman. I was former national president of Nigerian Association of Chambers of Commerce, Industries, Mines, and Agriculture. And principally, I started as a transporter, from where I diverged to hotel business. When I became counselor for the embassy of Ukraine in Nigeria, we formed the Nigerian-Ukraine Business Council. But so now I'm a retired industrialist. I was a cement producer in Nigeria. That is what I can say. I was, but now I'm just a retired businessman.
Jesus is mine. Present, son. Carry sword. Present, son. Carry sword. Present, son. Carry sword. Brothers and sisters, here. And salute. Down. And salute. Down. And salute. Down.
Members, stand here this morning to thank you for our defected member, the trustee of this great club. Lord, we beckon on you to lead all of us today from going home from here to home till tomorrow for retirement. May we protect everybody, protect the vehicle, and all our journey to Urualla tomorrow. All this we ask in Jesus' name.
Number 5.
Recreation Club Mamanuwo. Recreation Club Mamanuwo. Igbo Mamano. Nigeria Wozuono. Nine Nze Maduako. Claim. I namasangta Renki Baso. The club Recreation Club. Nka iso mezie. But he made a club he made a kudo Pansakwa this club. Ibo nyudo Gibro onye na hima di berenya. Gibro onye Chineke goziri. Amamle obu madu jing. But obu madu jing e gara anwu. Nde club agada ekwo ke nwa. Ndị klọb a gara aga ibe ọbụla kwesịrị ka aga ka nọ ndụ. Anyị male ọbụ okpo mere iji nwa. Ọbụ gbara okpo. gbara ọbụrụ okpo ịnwụ hala ya ụmụnne nwụrụ ndị ọjọọ nwụrụ ndị Urualla nwụrụ okpo ọbụrụ okpo ị gara anwụ mana anyị male ọbụ ọnwụ bịara.
The final journey chronicled with several events running through a number of days, which were more than dignified in a traditional fashion, culminated at the Olu Royal Palace. His entry was heralded by a feisty sound of the cannon blast, which rented the air. The sound of Ikoro trickled into the royal arena. Among the Igbos, Ikoro, meaning a large wooden drum, is used to announce messages such as death of a king or welcoming back of a great hero, after which the crown prince will receive the remains of the son-in-law.
CIG, Gelegun, CIG, Igwe, Ngajubo, Olule, Ezeakaibe, Olule, Okenze, Abatala, Ebona.
With patient expectations, Urualla Royal Palace as the next port of call was agog with the ocean of sympathizers as the traditional cabinet council of ancient Urualla kingdom filed to accord customary greetings to Ezeakaibe as he rested after the rigors of the extended final journey.
Professor Ndubizu, that was a very, very fantastic presentation. Yes. You will all agree with me. Yes. We say thank you very much. On behalf of Urualla citizens that are here, I say a very big thank you to you. At this juncture, I'll hand over to His Royal Majesty Urualla.
Ndike ika akakoka kwa chireke iriga na wana oburu no wana kiraga iriga nka ai gurite inyegi aza nwafo Urualla la dama ozureze yabo symbol of greatness, of nobility. Nalura, Naligo. Even the Urualla Nawazala. You were Boma Nawaza. Giwere Nkena. Giwere Tukwashara Aquana. I should may we have the Onyakana Oda Narura. He didn't get all sign of nobility and achievement. Mandeze Ma Equitazike Mejibi, my youth Zibi, Yaramaki Shudi.
His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Okosisi Edwin Ezanyika JP Okwarambiagu Chekabunoti Eze Urualla the 11th paramount ruler of Urualla clan transferred the title of Ezeakaibe to his eldest surviving son. From Urualla Royal Palace, the remains moved to Ozuome Urualla Royal Palace. His Royal Highness Eze John Nwadenigwe, Eze Maduako, and a highly powered retinue of Eze's cabinet dressed in Akwacha royal robe to welcome this great legend. Now, a ritual, the title of Ogumba Ozuome, is also transferred to the eldest surviving son as mark of respect to the legendary Ezeakaibe. Highlight of the triumphant entry was at his country home. As the white Rolls-Royce ambulance rolled to a halt, his daughter, Chief Mrs. Ngozi, received Ezeakaibe in historic gesture.
Something great is happening in Imo State. Something not tremendous is happening in Nigeria. For Nation is going home. Oh yes. Odino Fere. In the cabinet, I know Kelono. You can go to home on the way here. On the way here. Oh yes. The chairman of the microphone family from Urualla, we want to appreciate the entire Urualla clan who have been working tirelessly with the chairman of the LOC, Engineer Ima Ezonyasi. His committee has been so wonderful. Aine Kelekwe, the chairman of NOC, the National Organizing Committee, Ide John Udabala, Abalanze himself.
Chief Sir Philip Izogo led the members of Knights of St. John International, who milled around the compound in respect of their worthy colleague. The military band thrilled the guest with soft interludes.
Everybody that goes in there to be crying will have a fine, please.
The whole arena was charged, colorful and full of nostalgia as people watched the beauty and thrills that come with the Ohafia war dance steps and vigorous body movements. A dance for great men, memorable times and a most treasured culture. Several young, robust men in short, coarsely woven blue loincloths moved into the center stage. Their muscular arms are draped with long hair of ram's manes, and on their heads are red, black and white knit caps known as leopard hearts, each pierced with an eagle feather. They move with confidence and pride, but their leader seems even more imposing. Balanced in his head is a board upon which human heads are displayed. The heads, like the dancers, are flanked with ram's manes. The highlight of these seclusion was a well-rehearsed mbem ranting, a heroic praise singing lyrics reserved for kings and heroes of note.
Ezeakaibe mbetegete ana m ekele na ekele medwin Ezeakaibe nwoke osisi nweze onye je emeli o ekele m eze mmadụ ka eji aka ekele m dị eze niile nọ n'Urualla ọ na-anwụ mgbo ọgwụ Ezeakaibe ele otu a ga-eme Ezeakaibe alawa na unere betegete Ezeakaibe ọgara mba yere ụgbọ egbe na-aga ije agha mbụba ole otu a ga-eme nwanne ya tọrọ ikoro tọrọ ekwe zekwe hamara ya ọnụ ikoro hamara ya ọnụ ele otu a ga-eme unere ekele m ụlọ anwụ na mbụ Ezeakaibe ololo Ezeakaibe ololo ana m anya ọkụ yi na-atụ m ije na-aga alakwa ya ala.
Burial ceremonies in Igbo land are highly memorable because the dominant religion like Christianity has acculturated these traditional rites, a development that shows how dynamic cultures are embraced for change and continuity. Late in Clement, Obineze, Maduako's burial witnessed phases of funeral observance. The funeral service, which held at St. John's Catholic Church at his hometown, was a crescendo of the journey. Throngs of dignitaries from all walks of life, including the governor of Imo State and his Cross River counterpart, former governor of Imo State, Chief Ikedio Hakim, elder statesman, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyangu, former deputy speaker of Federal House of Representatives, Chief Emeka Ehedioha, Speaker, Imo House of Assembly, Right Honorable Achoihim, Director General, National Population Commission, Eze Turuihioma, Honorable Chief Austin Chukwukere, Member representing Idiato North and South Federal Constituency, Honorable Barrister Arthur Egwim. Member representing Idiato North in Imo State House of Assembly. The judiciary, the business world, youths, women groups, and a long list of concerned sympathizers. The officiating priests in his sermon enjoined everyone to be conscious of their life after death. He described Sir Clement as a book of many chapters. There is a common folk's thought about death among the entire group in Igbo land. This has given rise to burial translation and remembrance. These funeral rites and celebrations do, however, help to moderate and rationalize the emotionally and socially upsetting nature of death, as well as the relationship between the living and the dead. His country home, the next port of call, was agog with the ocean of sympathizers. From the church, the remains moved to his compound for interment rites, strictly to the terms of retirement, which implies to retreat from the society as provided by Urualla customs and traditions. As the anxious and necessary moment peaked, a blast of traditional trumpet pierced the palace arena to announce the commencement of the burial rite.
I will be until I die. Was already in. Do your best of moving. You're not taking. Try your best to join us. I will be until I die. I will be until I die. Was already in. Do your best of moving. You're not taking. Try your best to join us. I will be until I die. I will like that.
Was already in.
Do your best to put it.
So you're not yet in.
Try your best to join us. Shame!
My name is Dan Ngere. I'm from Urualla. This is one of our icons in the town. And he's very benevolent. He has reached out to many through educational scholarship, business support, advice, and name it. So he's a good man. And as you can see, what happened today, people came from all over. There were like 3 governors at the church, and more are coming in. So that shows you the essence of the man. Dignified, a man that has class and style.
Well, Maduako as an individual made us proud in Urualla. So that's why we all gathered to make him proud in his death. He played his card very well and helped a lot of people in the society. So that is why you can see this mammoth crowd coming to pay last respect to him. He deserves more than this, even at death. Well, my advice is for us to remain steadfast in prayer. God has reason for everything. He will surely replace Ezeakaibe in Urualla community whenever it pleases him.
My name is member representing the South Africa constituency in the House of Representatives. I'm here first of all because the late Clement Maduako was one of my constituents, and not with my constituent, he was a great man who lived a very good life. People have described so many languages, some call him icon, some call him an enigma, and I think really is an enigma. He was a great man who lived a life that touched other lives in positive terms.
Epoxy TV Nigeria, live at the burial of Nze Dr. Clement Maduako, MFR, Ezeakaibe, one of Urualla. This ceremony has also attracted people from all walks of life, from the governor of Imo State, His Excellency Rochas Okorocha, the governor of Imo State, and the governor of Cross River State, Professor Ben Ayade, the former governor of Imo State, Dr. Nyedi Hakim, former deputy speaker of the Federal House of Representatives, Emeka Nyedi, the Speaker of Imo State House of Assembly, Dr. Achoyim. Welcome to Urualla clan. And today we are witnessing the burial of Dr. Clement Maduako, MFR. Please, can you tell us how you feel about this noble icon?
Well, one is it's sad that they had to leave us because they were a very good man, a decent man, a man who contributed in not just building his community, but in building a better Nigeria. But we can't question God. He brought all of us here, he will call all of us. And whenever he calls him that, so may he grant him eternal rest in his kingdom.
Thank you, His Excellency. God bless you.
Thank you, my brother. You're welcome. My Professor Innocent Ezeakaibe, son of the soil. Like I have said, we have been here, we grew up here. We were tutored by people like Maduako. We learned a lot from them, and they have taught us how to lead, and we have grown to lead. That's why we are here today, to give him send-off, perfect gentleman, successful businessman, a dynamic leader, a humble millionaire and billionaire. So, it's a celebration of life for the man who has lived very well.
In-laws and friends swarmed the arena with yam tubers, wrappers, goats, or ropes which represent a cow in Igbo custom and tradition, with traditional troops of great significance performing to the rhythm of the drum while the family of the deceased sit at the table to receive in-laws and friends that pay condolence visits. Although Okuku is an expensive ceremony that requires economic stability to take it on, among the Igbo people, not to perform it at all is a social disgrace, and it could invite the wrath of the deceased in form of warning or personal misfortunes.
This is a rare thing to be done in Urualla. That doesn't come here just like that. Thank you, Kumba. Thank you very much. I just want to make a little. God bless you. Ana mahlezo jeni. Here's your dinner. Hey, funny.
Yes, Your Highness. So thank you. As architect
Yede ba mara egwu iburu bịa na-agba ya agbakwana egwu onye ọzọ.
The political song of Ezeakaibe. Please, wherever you can you tell me thank you, my brother. You were going to arrange Urualla. Chief Uchenna Maduako Ukumba na ndị Maduako family na ndị Urualla. Ndị awụ ndị Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Christy Acholonu bụ ezigbo oge ọnụ kpọrọ bịa. Ndị awụ ndị ọlụ made up of the traditional cabinet, honorary chiefs, various in-laws and friends. Onoma n'abanye na ọga anyị Dr. Nze Siro Maduako bụ kwa oke chief na the Isopikwu Gidigbo Eke Palace. Ya wụ agụmasị ọwụ ihe mwute maka ọga anyị nwụrụ. Ọkwa ihe obi ụtọ na ọ nwụrụ n'oge anyị ga-asọ karịrị akarị. Ọrụ dike ọwụ sọsọ n'ụzọ n'Urualla, ọwụ sọsọ n'Imo steeti, ọwụ sọsọ na Nigeria, the whole world. Onye ma akụkọ Nigerian Civil War ga-agba the road Nze Sir Dr. Clement Obineze Maduako played in the history of Nigeria and the entire world. Nga ụlọ ohere anyị ga-abịa na-ekwu ụmụ ihe ndị a ndị bịara mgbe e liri yesterday wetara the various brochures kwụsịrị ụdị mmanụ ọhụụ. Ihe dị taa wụ ịkwanye ugwu dịka ọgọ anyị ịbịara ọnụ mgbado ya bụ anyị sọ ụnụ ọwụ sọsọ na ebe anyị so ebe
ezi udo ụmụnne ya ezi udo ọ ga-adịrị ụnụ mma ọ ga-adịrị ụnụ mma anyị na ụmụnne anyị our traditional ruler ndị nze na ndị chiri echichi na ụmụnne anyị ndị na-anọghị ebe a especially Fidelis, Uche and Silas anyị niile ji obi anyị sị ka anyị bịa n'ụlọ ndo oche anyị erutego ebe a anyị antakwana responsị ụnụ Ezeakaibe agaghị akọrọ anyị onye ọwa agọrọ akwa na-enyedo anyị enyedo anyị so na ndị nwe Ezeakaibe sokwa na ndị nwe anyị ọ dị unfortunate na taa ọ nọzighị ebe a mana ụnụ nọ ya ihe gbasara the concept of Trinity Ambrose ebi okwu onye dị ndụ taa papa anyị bụ ụzọ gawa Ezeakaibe wee na-eso ya ọnwụ bụ omenala onye karuo eruo ya gawa ndị ọzọ bụ nkwụ n'ike rigote na-ebekwa n'akwa ka ndị na-enwe nchekwube bee na-akwa ka ndị nwere nchekwube ihe niile a na-eme ebe a taa ama m na ọgba ọnụgharị mmụọ welcome maka mgbe ọ dị ndụ ọ kpara ike ka dị mkpa ihe a na-anaghị aga aga ọ ga-aga were nye lọ ihe a na-anaghị eme ma ọ ga-emekwana ya mgbe niile ezinaobi ụlọ anyị rụ ka ọ ga-eme otu ọ ga-eme otu a ama m okwu ọ bịara kwuo ya na Ambrose ebi okwu akwụkwọ n'okwu a ya bụ the end of it. So ihe gbasara Ezeakaibe I bụ ya n'isi for a couple of days and weeks we'll be coming here every time so na-enye aka na ihe a na-eme isikwe na ike unu ekwekwana ka mkpịsị ọ hapụrụ ya gbara ha unu jidochie na ike olu unu ga-ejideli ekele na m unu were ụmụnne gị otu ahụ papa unu si were anyị niile abụkwa na onye na-eleta ụlọ were onye na-alọta ụlọ enwe onye m nụrụ gwara ya nga I want to repeat it at all times anyị bịa nga anyị hụkwa mmadụ ya rụkwara mma ya rụkwara unu niile mma